Well, welcome to Insidious Nixies. What's in the box? Is it an evaporative water cooler? No, I don't think so. I think it's Pete's Christmas present. Yes, we can all have an early Christmas present. And this is a Numitronics. Oh, that looks pretty fancy. We'll have a look at that in a second. Beautifully packed. That's the only reason it survived the on-course from... Oh, yes, Pete. That's the reason. You had that packing in there, mate. Ooh, there's a piece of paper. Proper transformer. Are we in focus? Yes, we are. Yeah, mate. That's what saved it. All that. Sorry, I like the show. People have their boxes get here so they can understand what they go through. And I always reckon that thing there is when the machine whacks it off the side of the conveyor belt as it's going along. Trust me, it's not your postie. Well, not my postie anyway. Yep, she got there beautifully, Pete. There she goes. Oh, sorry, Tina. Oh, that's my little dog over there. All right, first off, you get a 10 out of 10 for the proper Western Australia, well, Australian. All right, you put a little thing on it. Yeah, cool, I like that. Cool. Let's open it up. Let's get it ready. Get some room. Alright, this is a 566. I'm pretty sure it is. Be gentle, Peter, be gentle. It's going here. Oh, she's lovely. What? Diva. You bloody do, don't you, Peter? You hand make this completely by yourself. That's hand, but... Oh, you know that lovely smell of that beautiful wood you get? When I was first looking at this and I was wondering why I was so attracted to it more over the other one that I missed out actually on eBay. And that actually went for about $230 bloody dollars. And anyway, you know, can't cry over spilt milk as they say. But I was looking... Oh, no, I'm not taking that sticker off that, Peter. That's beautiful. No. It's a Chronix, mate. It's got to have that sticker on it. Yeah, the only thing I was saying was... I'll talk about that in another video. We're talking about Pete's beautiful piece of art here. Oh, mate, she's lovely. Yeah, so I couldn't work out why I was attracted to it so much over there. The other one was an N14. This is a 566. And I bought this brand new for the same price that I saw second-hand in 14. It was one of these, Pete, but, you know, hey, that was about... I'm supposed to be reading that, aren't I, Pete? No? Tesla Strong... See, I don't know what that is. I think it's just a sticker. All right. Oh, no, cool. Here we go. Be gentle, take your time. It's $100 bulb. Oh no, she's lovely, mate. There's certain things that I see in my eye and you say, oh, I'm going to have that in my collection. And when I saw this come up, and that's why I'm amazed that there's still one left. I just, I don't know. Everybody sees something different. Don't put all your grubby fingerprints over it. Pick it up from the top and the bottom. Oh, she's lovely. Yes. I still reckon this is one of the most underrated bulbs. 566. Can you guys see that? As I say, my glasses, let's do a focus. Yeah, beautiful. Can't get any newer than that, Pete. Yeah, she's a beauty, mate. Lovely. All right. Now, let's try and put him in. Am I going to put it in the right way? That's why I love this thing with the little hours thing. So this has to be facing this way. That makes sense with the spoon. Yep. Alrighty, take your time. Take your time. Got a little bit of the shakes. Oh. When you got... Hang on, I have to show them. When you've got a proper base in them, put the globe over there, Pete. It makes life so much easier. Yeah, the pins just go straight in. Yeah. How do you get the edge on that? That's what got me buggered. How you guys cut it and you still get a polish edge. It's not laser cut. I'll have to ask you about that, Pete. Or do you polish it? Oh, she's lovely. I like that. Yes, Numitron is built by Peter 001 of 100. Yes, that's what it needs. In fact, I might be sending that piece back to Peter. I'll be doing a special soon about signatures and numbering things. You guys undermessed it at yourselves. I can understand your normal clocks and make sure that's straight, Pete. One little push in. One little push in. Be gentle. That's definitely a new socket, mate. Definitely can't get any newer than that. Oh, she's lovely. Stop talking about it. Plug it in. There you go. All right. Bit of 240. Woohoo! Oh, no, she's even better in person, mate. Even better in person. What's something I can put near it so people can sort of see the size of it? He's not happy about having that in his head. Pen. There we go. Stop mucking around. Light it up. Come on. Now that I can edit and put things together. See, now it's not showing a time. What? Oh, yes, it is. 5 minutes and 53 seconds. I couldn't go off the other time before, guys. I realised what it was. The memory card was bloody full. Anyway, next year, I won't put you through all this rubbish. Thanks for putting up with me. I appreciate it. You'd appreciate it more if I could cut out these bits. Right, we're plugged in. And I won't program it all up, guys. That's for me later, my personal time with my Nixie. First off, let me just show you. Oh, beautiful. These go off as the seconds, minutes, and hours. You guys know that. Beautiful. And is that an AM, PM? Oh, sorry, there it is there. Beautiful. Love clocks with an AM, PM. Nah, she's lovely, Pete. The finish on that's absolutely fantastic. You definitely do put these together by yourself. Yes. Oh. Cool. Stay. Beautiful plug on the end there. There we go. There we go. Oh, lovely. Alrighty. We have got 23:08. And see how it moves from here, guys? Hour, minute. Beautiful. Lovely. All right, my friends, that's a beautiful clock from Numitromics, and it's a Chronix. It is the 556. Oh, God, I hope I didn't get that tube number wrong. And she is stunning, Pete. I'm really happy with it, mate. I was just an idiot. I didn't realise I was speaking to the builder. I would have got you to put your name on there. We'll talk about that later. Select. No, lovely. Sorry, guys, I've got to go. I'm going to go and play with my new Nixie clock, and that is one going in my collection. And that's what I'll show you next time when we're talking about signatures. I'll bring out this beautiful thing and my collection, and we'll have a talk about that. To both of you, Peters, you underestimate yourselves of how good you are. Sincerely, Nixies, thank you for putting up with me. Beautiful Numitrox clock. There's one on eBay at the moment. Get your hands on it. And I bought this, guys. I was not paid for this or anything. I don't believe I said that. Yeah, anyway. 25 subscribers. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Take care. Enemy Nixie comp. Get your hands on a beautiful Nixie. See you guys. Appreciate it.